Alright, LC3 logic board has been ultrasonically cleaned and dried. Power supply is back together. Got the monitor and power plugged in. Have the speaker plugged in. Smoke test in 3, 2, 1. We've got the chime. We have an image, rounded corners and mouse cursor already. My multi-sync monitor is not perfect, so don't worry about those smudges on the screen. That's actually LCD panel defects. And the moment of truth. We have the flashing question mark floppy disk. All right, this LC3 should be good to go, especially now that there's no electrolyte covering these sensitive components.